I'm here in Minneola. This community is just about sold out, but there's another one nearby with this builder. In this community, there's just one left in this floor plan, priced at $514,990. You have 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,819 square feet. Your first bedroom has the paint splashes all over the wall. The decoration is very creative. It's great for an artist or someone that's into arts and crafts. There is a full-size bathroom dividing the 2 bedrooms. You have your double vanity, shower, and tub. If you're looking for a larger floor plan, there's a couple others available with 2,737 square feet as far as quick move-ins go in this community, and it has 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. The second bedroom is decorated as the bird room. Very cute. We come down the foyer. This is a 3-car garage, but I believe the inventory home has a 2-car. The washer and dryer in your laundry room. And then your 3rd bedroom, decorated in fish. You get a lot of great ideas in these decorated rooms for sure. You have a big family room just off the kitchen. A great space for entertaining friends and family. The covered lanai looking out to your beautiful neighborhood. The dining area. And then your kitchen with your stainless steel appliances. This is a gas community, something that a lot of people enjoy having. You're zoned for top-rated schools. Some of your amenities include a community pool. There's a tot lot and shopping and dining close by. As I mentioned earlier, there is another community with this builder nearby. It has some different floor plans, so if you want more information on those, please let me know. Again, my name is Amanda Haynes. Feel free to send me a text or give me a call. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the like button so you can see more of my new home videos. Have a great day, everyone, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.